Hey friends, it's Shannon. Welcome back. So it is Friday evening, so I thought we could do a happy hour style box try on. So today I'm trying on my latest box from the company Drape Fit. Drape Fit is a discount style box provider. They're based out of Texas, and you fill out a survey and they send you usually 5 fashion items which you get to try on and decide what you're going to keep, and then you pay when you check out. So I actually have only done Drape Fit a few times. Like I said, it is a discount box and it is a little hit or miss. But I'm kind of playful. I'm not stressed about these things, so I figure let's do another one. By the way, you guys will notice my dog in the background. So my neighbor's house is for sale. It just went on the market and there are cars nonstop over there. So the dog is looking out the window right now. So if he acts a little crazy, that's why. All right, I already have on the first 2 pieces. First item is called the woven solid short sleeve blouse, color yellow, $28.50. And then I have on a silver cuff bracelet for $19.99. So here's the top. There are definitely some issues with this top, but there are some things that I think are pretty. So first of all, it is like a really kind of little buttery soft baby yellow color, which is kind of like lovely for spring. It does have some lovely feminine details, right? It's got little flutter sleeves. It's got some ruffles down here. It does have smocking in the back, so you can kind of get that nice fit that's not uncomfortable. Those are the good things. Let's talk about the bad things. First of all, the fit in the front is just not right on me. I just got way too much gaping, and I don't think there's any way to fix that. There's no bra that's going to fix that. Number 2, I'm not a huge fan of this asymmetrical ruffle situation. You can see that there's some ruffles here, and then they have this longer one here. Let me turn to the side and you can see then we've got this back. So I'm not loving that. The other issue is I am tall, I'm 5'10", and I feel like the waist on this is like a little high, and I could probably find something that's a little more proportioned. But like I said, I do think there are some pretty details about this, so it isn't a complete miss. It's just not right for me. All right, here's the little cuff. If you guys can see, it's nice. I don't feel like it's something I would want to keep or is that fantastic. But again, you know, it's pretty. All right, let's keep going. All right, I have on the next item. The next item, you guys, is the black rib knit cross halter top in size large for $27.99. So here it is. I'm actually not wearing a bra with it, and it actually works. It has enough stretch and support, I guess, to kind of keep everything up. It's sort of like a sweatery, knitty t-shirt fabric. Let me do a spin and you can see the back. It does fit. It is kind of cute. So what am I wearing it with, you ask? So I ordered this little skirted like bike short item from Amazon, and it actually came out a lot more puffy, a lot more ballerina than I thought it would. But I did keep this. I think I'm just gonna wear it for like dog walking and maybe some like moderate workouts this summer. But I just thought I would try it on with this little tank top, which again I think is kind of cute. I don't know how age appropriate this top is though. I'm a 45-year-old lady, so you tell me, you guys. So this is the second item. Again, interesting. Maybe a little off the mark for me, but not terrible. Okay, so now we're on to my least favorite item in this box. These are a royal blue solid knit pull-on bell-bottom pants. These are in a 1X, which is a 14 to 16X for $29.99. These do fit and they are long enough, but they're kind of like a cheap swimsuit material. You know, they're just not flattering. They're not uncomfortable, but I could see them getting really like sweaty in the summer. Let me do a quick turn. Yeah, these just don't feel like me. Not terrible, but just not me. And again, I don't love the quality on these. Okay, we have one more item. All right, so the last item in this fit is actually probably my favorite. This is a gray smocking wide leg jumpsuit in size 14W or 1X for $29.99. It is a jersey knit material. Let me step back here. So a couple things that I like. It is long enough in terms of it does, you know, hit my ankles or below my ankles. And it's also long enough in the torso, which is often a problem for me. I like this it's sort of almost like a corseted smocking style. It's loose and comfortable, but it's like it kind of cups your breast, which is kind of cute. I do kind of like the dolman sleeves with this. It has pockets. It feels like pajamas. I just think it's pretty cute. I don't really do a lot of jumpsuits because I can't find ones that fit, and this one just seems like a really fun, kind of almost loungewear run to Target on Sunday kind of moment. Let me do a quick turn. All right, let me do a quick recap and ask some questions for you guys to answer. All right, guys, so that was my Drape Fit, as they call them. I believe there was 5 items in here. So if I kept everything, they do have a 25% like buy 5 discount. This entire box would cost $109.99, which, you know, I mean, for a style box is kind of crazy. Obviously, I'm not going to keep everything because I just don't think that yellow blouse fit right. I had that kind of wonky, uneven hem. The blue pants I did not like. I think my 2 favorite pieces would be this little one-piece item, and then I think the halter top was kind of cute. I'm just not sure how often I would pull that out. You know, I'm like a 45-year-old mom, so right, yeah. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like this jumpsuit? Did you think it was kind of fun? Or if you saw me walking around Target, would you think I was a cuckoo? And what did you think of that halter top? Too young, or is it okay for like a vacation or a weekend, you know, on the patio moment? Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. Please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing if you guys like this content. Also, this is my first video since I've reached 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who has thrown their support behind me and followed me. Anyway, take care. See you guys soon. Bye.